Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide likes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture to open up your profile page, and right from here you can hide likes on each of your posts. So just select a post. As you can see, this post liked by Azad Kurvand and 30 others. So you can hit right here at three dots icon and then select hide like count. Now it says that post liked by that user and others, so it can hide the exact number of users that liked your post. You can hit at others to see those users and to see that likes counter, but only you can see the total amount of likes on this post and the exact list of users. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.